What is it, Henry? Calm down.
It's like hungry hippos.
You having some beans?
He shot corn at me.
Oh, Henry, you gotta learn to calm down a little bit when you're eating. No one's gonna take your food, buddy.
Will is not around.
I think Henry takes everyone's food. You eating the peas too? Usually he pulls the peas back out of his mouth once they go in. Yeah, there, it fell out. Henry. Hi, buddy. Yeah, that's the camera. You're pointing at it? Good pointing. Oh, did you give me some corn? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Se cayó el frijol.
What are you going to eat next? Some more beans?